Our tribe, their journey from learning to leading in wedding event industry.
I joined the wedding school back in 2019, and from there I've done a lot of weddings, a lot of events, and now I'm consulting on various projects. So that's what I'm up to these days.
So I joined TWS 4 years back at its peak COVID times, and I was sitting at home idle. I thought I would want to do something, and this course came my way, and that's how I started it. Doing a lot of weddings, that's the adventure that one can really do, you know.
So I joined TWS in 2018. I think it was the second batch. It was 18-19. Yeah, my current adventures. We were the offline batch, just to let you know. We were the best batch actually. Picking up projects, being a great entrepreneur, running my business with utter confidence. So that's my current adventure and goal.
What message do you have for wedding aspirant?
The message is very short and simple. Do it for the love of colors, emotions, and everything that you like in weddings. Keep learning, keep doing your best. It's not easy what we do. People think it's very easy to plan something, but when you actually do it, you understand that, oh, it's not something that everyone can pull off. So be proud of yourself and keep doing what you do.
For them, I would definitely say one is hard work. You cannot ever stop working hard because this is an industry where it takes a lot of sweat and blood that you need to give if in case you want to succeed. Second is keeping hope. The day you feel, oh no, I'm not getting weddings, or this client has not been too good, or it didn't turn out well, the wedding wasn't so successful, don't lose hope. There's always a next time. I think these two important keys which I take with me, carry with me every day is what I will also suggest the youngsters.
Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Be confident, and I think things will just flow your way.
What has kept your connection with TWS strong over the years?
The TWS is a very cute family where we have a group called the TWS Tribe, where all the students are a part of that group. We all ask each other questions. We all try to answer whatever questions or query the other person has. And we try and support each other and promote each other's work. So I think that's how we are always in touch.
I personally love working on projects with them, so that's how we are connected. It's always good to be connected with your roots. So we always, I think at least once in a year or twice in a year, we definitely meet up. So that's how I'm connected with them.